Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and today's video I want to show you how can you decorate a baby shower on a budget. I'm doing this for one of my friends. It's her first baby, so I want to give this baby shower decoration as a present. So let me show you what I'm going to do.
So I went shopping to different stores. I went to Party City, Michael's, and this is Dollar Tree. I bought different items that I need for the decoration, for the table, and for the dessert table. So I also went to Party City. Here I found different stuff from boys and girls, and also I found these cute little cookies for boys that I love it. It will look perfect for the dessert table decoration. I also went to Michael's to get some flower decoration for the table, and I found these cute little wood horses and cars. They also will look gorgeous in the dessert table. This is the paper plate and cups that I bought from Amazon for this decoration, and also I bought some chair covers that will go very well with this baby shower decor. So let's start with the table decoration for the baby shower. I'm going to use these chair covers that I bought from Amazon. It's just super easy to do it. You just wrap it around like this. And I'm going to add a blue bow to the chairs. And this will give the chairs this final touch. For the table, I'm going to use this table cover that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I got the paper plates and the cups from Amazon. I think it came a package of 24 plates. And it was like $19 or something like that. Super cheap. And I bought the utensils from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this beautiful white flower in this area right here. It looks amazing in the table. So I'm going to use three, one in this end, one in the middle, and one in the other side of the table. So three of them, they look amazing. And I'm also going to add these beautiful LED lights. They're super cute. I bought it from Michael's. They are adorable, and it's going to look great in my table. I also decided to add this table runner because I need to add some contrast to the table because everything was too white. So I love it. Now it's the time to decorate the dessert table. This is my favorite part. I also bought this one from Amazon, and I'm going to share all the items that I'm going to use for this baby shower decoration under this video. And for the table, I'm just going to use this simple tablecloth that I have for a previous party. It's super easy and simple. And for the food decor, I just went to my local grocery store and I just picked up some random dessert. And I also got some cute cake decoration items. And I'm just going to decorate all the food. And I bought this one from, I think, Party City. It's super cute. And I'm just going to decorate all the cupcakes, the cake, and also about these cute cookies from Party City too. So it's going to look so cute. I'm super excited. I also find this cute, super cute wood car and horse. They're going to look so beautiful in the dessert table. At the beginning, I was thinking just to paint it, but then I decided just to keep it a natural color, natural wood. So I love it. They're so cute. I'm going to add these beautiful blue flowers to the dessert table because it's going to give the table a special touch. I love it. This looks so cute. And I also going to add more flowers around the table. This is where the cookies are going to be, so it looks super cute. These cookies were super delicious and they look super cute. I love them. But you can use real flowers, or you can use fake flowers, or you can use a combination of both. For the flower arrangement, I'm going to use real flowers. I'm going to make 2 flowers arrangement for the dessert table. I bought this baby bread from Harris Theater. They were $3 each. Super cheap, super easy. And this whole baby shower decoration is under $100, so everybody can do it. It's super affordable, super easy DIY projects, and the most important thing is under $100. So super cheap, and anybody can do this. It's super simple and everything looks so beautiful. I love it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this baby shower decoration. Everything was super simple, easy to do, and the most important thing, it was done on a budget. So you guys can, I hope you guys can get some ideas and do the same thing. I didn't spend too much money and everything looks so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, I will be happy to answer any questions, and I see you next time.